Hey, you know what? Hey, Mia. You said you just wanna see her bed. You can get down now. Come on, gonna lay down. Okay, I'm gonna use your bed then. I'm gonna sleep here. Come on, get down now. Yeah, she wants you to sleep on your bed. Go, go. You wanna sleep there? Ayaw daw niya eh.
It made my eyes. I don't want to sleep me. I don't want you to sleep me.
So do you like your house here now?
Yes, yes.
Is it nice?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, it's by the water, huh?
What is it?
Close to the beach.
Mia, I don't want you sleep with me. No, I can't go down there. I don't want you sleep with me. What? I don't want you sleep with me. I am sleeping with you. Wait. No. Yes. Then, but then you're not going to stay in the hotel. I am away. We're going there. But you asked me.
Oh, she will show you how to get down. Oh. Are you gonna show your sister? Oh.
You're cute. I'm not good. Self. Make it down because so high. See? I did it. Make it higher. Help me.
Oh, you show your sister how you climb. Okay, she will show you. She will show you how you climb. Oh.
Down here. Kitty, I have to show you. Kitty, come on. Come on. Kitty, come on. Then I'm not going to cheek. Okay, Kitty.
Okay, Mia, you can practice now. Okay, I'm gonna go back home now. Because I'm not listening to Mama.
I can't get down.
Yes, you could. Come on. Come on, you're a big girl.
I need help. You too there.
You're a big girl now. Come on, get down. Dali na. Hurry up. Kira, don't do that. Hey, you guys wanna go to Seafort Village tonight?
No.
Huh? You gonna go to Seafort Village? Come on.
No.
Come on, let's go. Hoy. Okay, I'm gonna lay down in your bed now. No, but you don't have any more bed. You are not listening.
Okay, Mia. Mama want you to leave. No, I want to leave. Mama, I have to get down.
Okay, I'll help you. Asa ka man. Saka man. Careful. Okay, sakit down. No, come on. Okay, there you go. Hold tight. Where's your treasure? Okay. See, your sister's gonna give you later on. Right. Go lay down now. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna lay down. Okay. I'm gonna sleep on your bed. Mama's gonna sleep there. You just sleep there, okay? Okay, night. Let's take a short nap, okay? Hey, you're not listening to Mama. Mapapalo kita. Iwan palo. Go back to your bed. Look at Kira, oh. Okay. I'm gonna take a short nap. Bye. Good night, Kira. Good night, JB. Mia. She's sleeping already. Maybe upstairs. Yeah. Ate.
Is up in a big room. In a big room.
In a big room?
The big room. Big room. We go like. Mama.
Okay. Nobody will talk now, huh? Everybody sleep now.
Mama, just go to bed.
Okay. Night, night.
Night, night.